this video I'm going to show you the best places in the town of Mahahual in Mexico. I had been in the town of Bacalar, but now I took my bag to head out to the next place. Now I am here waiting for the Colectivo bus that I'm gonna take about an hour and 20-minute ride out to the town of Mahahual. The Colectivo buses go all around Mexico, and I believe it's the easiest way to travel around, besides from the bigger bus company ADO. I was in Mexico and still in the Yucatan Peninsula by the coast. I had seen a lot of the most famous places in this region of Mexico, and now going to the less known town of Mahahual, which is located close to the border of Mexico and Belize. The town has about 600 people, a small airport, and really nice beaches. There is only one big road leading into the town, and when you reach the beach, there is a big pier, where a right turn brings you into this small beach town. And right outside of the town, you have the second biggest reef system in the world, known as the Great Maya Reef. That's why Mahahual is also popular for scuba diving. Hello everybody! I am here in the beach town of Mahahual. It's been a bit cloudy actually in the past couple of weeks because we are in the middle of a hurricane season. The best time to come to Mexico is between December and May. That's when you have the best weather. Between June and November you have more clouds and more rain. But today I'm gonna show you the town of Mahahual. Here we have the Mahahual sign. There's only one road actually leading into the city. The first thing you're gonna see is the pier here and the Mahahual sign. So the town starts by the pier that you saw over there, and here we have the road that goes all through town. The road that goes through town is really nice, since restaurants serve food and you can sit in the green area right by the beach. Now I'm coming into the town area, and here you can rent bicycles and go for scuba diving or hang out on the beach. There are actually a lot of scuba diving shops I've seen here. I was on my way down to the south part of this town that only has a population of 600 people. The town is unlike any other beach town I had seen in Mexico. There are no waves and instead shallow areas where you can swim. The town extends all the way out into the water, which is really unique. The whole beach area is public, so anybody can access it at any point and relax on the white sand areas. You also have all the hotels located right there with direct access to the beach. Started raining a bit, but it's really cool here. I got shelter under the canopies of the trees. This is why you should come to Mexico between the months of December and May, as I've said before. I was here during those months and there was not a single day of rain. This nice fruit drink cost 30 pesos, so $1.50. Really great success. Cheers everybody. It was raining and I had ordered food while I sat under the palm trees on the beach. But the sun came out again and I could enjoy a really nice Caribbean salad that would cost me 200 pesos, which is about $10 US. Really good food. We have a lot of hotels here along the beach, but there are, as you can see, no people here. So now is a good time to go if you want to have this place to yourself. The town has seaweed barriers that keep the seaweed out, which a lot of towns in Mexico don't have. It keeps the water clean and you can enjoy swimming in the shallow areas just outside of the beach. You can also go out on boat trips and do scuba diving, snorkeling, or even kite surfing. The town looks really amazing when the sun comes out, since the water gets an even more blue color. So what's good about this place is that it's really shallow right here on the beach, and you have access to the beach no matter where you are. In some other places I've been in Mexico, you can't really go to the beach side because usually you have hotels and they block off the access to the beach, but here you can just go anywhere you want, straight to the beach. The temperature in the water, I guess about 80 something Fahrenheit, 25 degrees Celsius. Really, really nice. The town is a less known tourist area with almost no convenience stores or grocery stores. It was also hard to find an ATM, and it's a bit hard to get to it with a bus. But once you get there, it's a really incredible place with amazing beaches. Right outside you also have several reefs that I decided to swim out to. There is free access to sunbeds and hammocks on the beach area, and a nice hotel room right by the beach will cost around $100 per night. There is also an international cruise port a bit north of town that used to bring in thousands of tourists to the town, but it has been closed for several months because of the virus. The boats would come from not only the US but also other parts of the world. I came back to the room. I paid only $22 per night here in this little room, only about 30 seconds from the beach, so it's really nice. You can find cheap apartments and places to stay here. Mahahual is a nice beach town to go to if you want to avoid the typical tourist places in Mexico. If you enjoyed watching this video, please leave it a thumbs up and post a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.